I spent my entire weekend helping my dad navigate the healthcare system. What I found honestly terrified me about our future and my parents' savings. Making one wrong choice at age 65 can drain everything you built. There is a hidden lifetime penalty you need to keep in the back of your mind. I will show you how a massive change next year impacts your entire budget. The initial enrollment period is exactly 7 months long for every person. It starts 3 full months before your birthday and ends 3 months after. It really makes you sit and wonder why they make the enrollment window so tight. Let us look at a normal guy turning 65 next year in late January. He has to quickly choose between original coverage and an Advantage plan. Original gives you freedom while Advantage limits you to a local network. Over 30 million older folks are trapped in these restricted networks. You also absolutely need to secure your prescription drug coverage exactly on time. Roughly 50 million American citizens rely on this specific part of the system. Paying taxes my whole adult life made me assume this was all fully covered. I had to just sit with that realization for a while because it felt so unfair. Remember that hidden lifetime penalty I mentioned to you a little earlier? Missing your 7-month window adds 10% to your final bill forever. That massive change in 2026 is a tremendous relief. Your out-of-pocket costs for drugs will be capped at $2,000. First, you need to mark your calendar 3 months before your big birthday. Second, you should compare local Advantage networks against actual doctors. Third, you must review your daily medications to prepare for the new caps. Getting older in the United States of America is practically a full-time job. Make your choices carefully because this system does not forgive mistakes.